YouTube? Welcome to another video by Viral Empire. Today, we're gonna talk about Kung Fu fighting in the jungle. Lions fighting off a bunch of hyenas, giraffes throwing some Shaolin kicks, and even elephants and crocodiles joining in this free-for-all combat. Don't go away because we are going to see some super kick-ass stuff. Before we begin, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel below and give this video a big thumbs up. Let's go viral!
Oh yeah, he's coming.
Man, these hyenas sounds a lot like the women I work with. Hyenas versus lions is a constant, never-ending battle in the wild. Hyenas are famous scavengers and often fight for the leftovers of other predators. They usually hunt in packs, and in this video, these hyenas are competing with a small group of female lions over a dead carcass of a wildebeest. Wait, is that Mufasa?
Oh, this lion's not happy.
Fun fact! Did you know that Chuck Norris created giraffes by uppercutting horses? Giraffes in general are peaceful, elegant creatures. This mother giraffe is walking along with her child when a pack of lions attacked. These lions are about to find out that when you try to mess with a baby giraffe, the mama giraffe can become fierce adversaries. Here, 3 lions have stolen the baby giraffe, and the mother is desperately trying to fight back. The lions have done most of the damage, but in the heat of the moment, she may have trampled on her own calf. Realizing that the baby is dead, she reluctantly retreats and leaves the scene in sadness. Rhino versus buffalo. 2 majestic creatures stare down like sumo wrestlers ready to attack. Who will emerge the winner? Let's find out. Oh, the rhino is completely kicking ass. No surprise there. We all know that a rhyhorn will always beat a Taurus. Amen. Oh, it seems the buffalo got some homeboys. They should have jumped in to help, but I guess the buffaloes have good honor.
Fatality.
In the end, the rhino brings down his adversary and chases the rest of the buffaloes away. Good job! This is the best cat fight I have ever seen. Two tigers engaged in a fierce battle. I think tigers are even more fearsome than lions. Check it out. Rudyard Kipling, the author of The Jungle Book, wrote a short story about how the elephant got his trunk. In this story, a little elephant was lured into the river by a cunning crocodile who then proceeded to bite his trunk, causing his trunk to grow longer. In this video, we see a real-life example of the story. Is this really how the elephant got such a long trunk? So, that's the end of our video. The law of the jungle is ruthless and fearsome at the same time. Which is your favorite fight? If you could pick one animal to represent you in a fight, who would you pick? Let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Also, if you enjoy watching my videos, you can turn on the notifications button so you can be updated as soon as I upload a new video. See you guys next time, and as usual, click here to watch more videos by Viral Empire. Peace out!
they bite?
We can come, Matt, if you can come. These two males are dominant males.
They're biting.
They kill him. They're going to kill him. This is something I've never seen before, so
Oh, I don't think I like them. Poor thing.
Oh no. And the cubs are running.